Welcome back to Auto Corner, and today actually I'm buying a really unique BMW 323, and I love E36s, so this will be a ton of fun. And I'm pretty much 50 minutes away from my journey, but sadly the traffic has just stopped in the highway, so it's not every day. I mean, you always find good stuff when you're side of the road, which is fun. But the unique thing about this car is it's only a two-owner car, and it has quite high mileage, but it has very unique options from the factory. It has sunroof, parking sensor, TPMS. It has the wood inlay, has the leather seats. It had the hi-fi system, has the traction control. So it's a very unique car, so it would be fun to see how well this car is. And the fun part about it is that the owner is 67-year-old, so it'll be fun to see. That's really cool. Well, this journey actually turns quite shitty because I'm stuck in traffic. I've been here for like 2 hours, and it's right now it's 4 o'clock, and if you go on the website for the public roads, they say that they're gonna open the road at 8 o'clock at night. And the owner of this old BMW is only gonna hold the car for me another hour. So I sent my dad to go and pick this car up. So now I'm waiting for the call for my dad that is outside, and he's just gonna buy the car, which is, this guy is really special. He really don't give a fuck that I've been driving 2 hours to get here. I don't think he believes that I'm stuck in traffic, but what can I do? So let's hope for the best, and let's see how this will turn out. Oh my god.
Det är på andra sidan, va?
Yes,
on the other
it's
side.
on the other side, yes. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh, fuck. Nu börjar det röra sig. Really? Yeah?
And we are back on the road! After 2 hours driving, I finally arrived at the destination to meet this crazy old man. He was 60+-year-old. He was an old gypsy for the former Yugoslavia Republic. He told me that the car was in really good condition. I went there and the car was totally rutted out. I was not able to film because it happened so fast. And yeah, it was really weird. And I told him, like, I drove 2 hours for nothing. He told me the car was in good condition. The car is junk. It's about to hit the scrapyard. Then he started to complain. I started to complain at him. And then he lost the argument and told me it's cold outside, and literally went into the apartment. That's it. Well, it went to shit. The car was completely shit. So I drive this car now to be happy.
Förstörde bilen, jag bara åh! Kan jag inte? Cheapskates. Instead of buying a thing, you can just use it.
We got the commentary from my brother. Yes, power. I love. We need to disable that.
Why buy a thing you put around your head when you can just buy a hat for like...
Exactly, exactly.
You solve the thing.
Faktiskt, de är jättegod nummer. Look at the... I need to fix the spacers because the steering wheel is wobbling actually quite a lot. I need to fix that.
Så nog hjemme.
My brother's just happy because we're gonna eat some fried chicken.
Yeah.
You may think he's black, but he's not. Well, there we go. AMG. See how full throttle feels. I've actually forgotten how it does feel. Let's see if this car moves. Oh my god. No, it actually feels quite, I don't know. Ja, men det kan vara däcken. Den har stått ett tag. In the front it's actually quite a lot. No, it's right. It might be the tires that are not. Oh my god, this thing is fast. Oh my god.
This is how fast I would be when I go to gypsy.
Well, that was fun driving this car again after the winter, and now in the normal habitat of this car, which is the filling station. There is no other way than filling it up. It was fun driving it. It's still actually quite clean. It's quite annoying that you get quite a lot of brake dust on the car, but what can I do? But it looks good. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe and like, and have a nice day.